Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2025, how to add text. There are two options to add text in AutoCAD 2025. You can use mtext command, you can tap mtext, press enter, and you can click at this point for the first corner, and second corner you can click. The next you can tap text, like I will set into AutoCAD. You also can go to ribbon in the text editor. Like in here, you can change for the text styles. Like I will use Arial Black, and you can make a bold, or you can set by using this italic. The other option you also can set for the paragraph at this point, and for the color, you can click in here, set into red color. And if you done, you can click close text editor. So you can add the text in it. To change for text height, you can select and you can use the properties tools. You can see in here the text height, like I will set into 10 for text height. You can press enter. Text will be automatically resized. And for the seconds, you can use the text command. You can type text, press enter. And for first point, I will click in here. For height, like I will set into 20, press enter, and rotation into 0. So you can type AutoCAD. Click outside to apply, and then you can press escape button. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD 2025, how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.